Monitoring and controlling in the project. Monitoring in project management is a systematic process of observing, measuring, and evaluating activities, resources, and progress to verify that a given asset has been developed according to the terms set out. It is intended to deliver instant insights, detect deviations from the plan, and allow quick decision making. Purpose or the objectives of project monitoring: tracks progress. Next, identify risks and issues. Next, ensure resource efficiency. How resources are being distributed and used. Next, facilitate decision making. Supply project manager and stakeholders with reliable and timely information. Next, enhance communication. Encourage honest team communication and stakeholders engagement. Next, to identify deviations and variations. Next, to provide real-time visibility into the project's progress for informed decision making. Next, to collect accurate and reliable data on performance, resource usage, risks, and issues. Next, to maintain transparency through progress reports, dashboards, and regular updates. Next, to support forecasting for future performance based on the past and current trends. Key activities of the project monitoring: performance measurement. Next, progress tracking. Next, risk identification and assessment. Next, issue identification and resolution. Next, resource monitoring. Next, quality assurance. Next, communication and reporting. Next, change control. Next, documentation management. Characteristics of monitoring: continuous and ongoing process. Next, data driven and objective. Next, compares planned versus actual performance. Next, early detection of deviations. Next, use standard tools and techniques. Next, provides visibility and transparency. Next, supports decision making. Next, focus on performance measurement. Next, controlling. In project management, the control stage refers to the taking corrective measures using data collected during monitoring. It seeks to keep the project on track and in line with its purpose by resolving issues, minimizing risks, and adopting appropriate modifications to plan documents for projects. Objectives or the purpose of project control: implement corrective actions using the issues, risk, or deviations from the project plan as a pretext to implement corrective actions. Next, to adapt to changes, accommodate changes in requirements, external parameters, or unknown circumstances by altering project plans or resources strategies. Next, optimize resource utilization. Next, ensure quality and compliance, comply with quality standards, regulatory mandates, and project policies. Next, facilitate communication. Next, issue resolution, respond to identified issues in a timely manner by instituting remedial measures, work with the project team to address obstacles that threaten progress in the assignment. Next, risk mitigation, perform risk response plans in order to avoid the negative influence of risk identified, take proactive action that can minimize the possibility of risk. Next, change management, evaluate and put into practice the approved amendments to the project scope, schedule, or budget. Make sure that changes are plugged into the project plans. Next, resource adjustment. The optimized resource allocation based on the project requirements and variability in the workload. Make sure that team members are provided with adequate support in order to play their respective roles efficiently. Next, characteristics of monitoring: continuous and characteristics of controlling: action oriented process. Next, variance and impact analysis. Next, ensures compliance with baselines. Controlling ensures the project stays aligned with the approved plans and standards. Change driven. Next, focus on problem solving. Next, integrates various knowledge areas. It affects scope control, schedule control, cost control. Next, continuous feedback loop. Next, requires decision making authority. Next, prevent scope creep and unplanned changes. Controlling ensure that the project does not drive away from its intended goals. Meaning of monitoring and controlling: monitoring and controlling are paired, continuous processes that run throughout the project life cycle. They ensure a project is progressing as planned, that deviations are detected early, and the corrective or preventive actions are applied to meet the project objectives, scope, time, cost, quality, risk, benefits, and stakeholder expectations. Importance of monitoring and controlling in the project management: ensures achievement of project objectives. Monitoring and controlling help ensure that the project project stays aligned with the defined scope, timeline, budget, and quality standards by continuously comparing actual performance with planned baselines. Next, early detection of problems and deviations. Continuous monitoring provides real time visibility into the project progress. It allows managers to detect schedule delays, cost overruns, resource shortages. Next, help in effective decision making. Monitoring generates factual, reliable data on project performance. Based on this information, controlling processes help managers take informed decisions such as reallocating resources, revising schedules. Next, maintain control over scope, schedule, and cost. Monitoring and controlling protect the project baseline. Scope control prevents scope creep, unapproved changes. Next, schedule control ensures timely completion of tasks and milestones. Next, cost control keep the project within the approved budget by tracking spending and forecasting future costs. Next, improve quality of deliverables by regularly checking work outputs and comparing them with the quality standards. Monitoring and controlling ensure that the project deliverables meet the customer's expectations. Next, facilitates risk management. Next, enhances stakeholder communication and transparency. Monitoring provides periodic reports, progress updates, and status dashboard. This transparency ensures stakeholders remain informed and engaged. Next, promotes efficient resource utilization. Monitoring shows how human, financial, and physical resources are being used. Controlling helps correct inefficiencies, preventing underutilization or overloading of resources. Next, supports change management. Most project phases changes due to evolving requirements or external conditions. Monitoring identifies the need for changes while controlling manages them through formal procedures. Next, help deliver project on time within the budget. Next, encourage continuous improvement. Next, ensures accountability and responsibility. Next, provide a foundation for forecasting. Process of monitoring and controlling in the project management. Establish baselines and performance standards. Before monitoring can begin, the project must have clearly defined approved baselines for scope, schedule, and cost and quality. Next, collect actual performance data. Once the project is in execution, the project manager collects real data related to work completed, time spent, cost incurred, and resource utilization, quality inspection results, and risk and issue status. Source includes report, team updates, and timesheets. Next, measure and compare performance. The collected data is compared with the baselines to identify schedule variance.